I wasn't planning on doing this, but I do want to show you how to create an on-click pop-up. That's my own word that I've created. The on-click pop-up, let me open the front-end view for you, is that situation where you click on a link like this, more information on a workshop, and there is a box that pops up on your page after you clicked on it. Some call it a modal. There are many words for it. We'll stick to the word pop-up. There is a pop-up builder within Breakdance. Go to the back end of WordPress, and this is where we're going to create the pop-ups. There is another way. We'll have a look at that later on. Breakdance here on the left, and pop-ups, select. I will create that pop-up that I want so that when people click here on more information on the workshop, it will actually give them more information on the workshop. Click on Add Pop-up, and I'll call this new pop-up, Workshop March 2026. So I know what it is about. And I have to say everywhere, do not worry about these. These are the automatic triggers and conditions. And these pop-ups, when you set this up, they happen whenever someone comes to your site, and after a certain amount of time or a certain action, the pop-up appears. The pop-up we want to create is one that when people click on the link, it appears. So I'm not going to set these guys up. I'm not going to make any changes here and select Add Pop-up. Now it has been created. We select Edit in Breakdance. It opens the same builder. The only difference is once we start building, I'll bring in a section. It looks like this. And this is a typical pop-up background. All I want to do here is maybe add a heading, and the first one will be for workshop. And I'm just randomly quickly creating this. Like I said, I wasn't planning on doing this, but I want to show you how to make that on-click pop-up. And then we add some text below that as to what it is all about. And then a form element. And the reason the form is we want people to apply. So look for form again, form builder. And our form element appears here. That's all I'm going to do for this one. And select Save. Our pop-up is created. Now I want to show you a super cool thing. And that is I don't have to exit to WordPress to go to my home page to set up this link here. Within this builder, in the options toolbar at the top, it says here in this drop-down, Editing Pop-up, Workshop March 2026. Select the drop-down. My home page appears here. When you select it, it will automatically load the home page right in the editor. Very convenient. No need to go to WordPress. And in fact, if I select that drop-down again, you see here this plus. I can actually create those things right here. I don't even have to go to create it in the backend. More on that in later modules. Stay tuned. Scroll to our workshop area. Workshops over here. Select the button, and where it says link, remove the hashtag contact. Go to the little settings cog, select that, and then type. We select this one, action, pop-up. Oh, that feels like a lot we did, right? Let's clear everything. We do it one more time. Select the cog. The type will be an action. It will do something, and what it will do is open a pop-up. Which pop-up? Select the pop-up. We only have one, Workshop March 2026. There's another action here. We want it to open. A few more advanced options, but let's stay where we are. Control S, Command S. Go to the tab on the front end, reload, and select more information on workshop. And there is our pop-up. Unexpectedly, I quickly showed you how to create this. There is one major thing that we didn't do here when I go back into Breakdance. Let's load that pop-up. Remember how we're going to do it right within the builder. Go to the top options toolbar. From the drop-down, select Workshop March 2026, and we see this little label tells us it's a pop-up. And then we need to check for our other devices, tablet, phone, Yeah, and they don't look great, but I just want to remind you, for this one, definitely, we need to reduce the typography and the font size, or at least the font size. And save. And that's how you're going to create that pop-up. An extra gift to you in this crazy world at this moment.